Hey there, and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to make a weather app, right, which basically returns the temperature of the location winter. So to create this app, we need to import some uh, modules. The first will be pyttfx3, the second will be requests, right? The second will be requests, and the third will be JSON. So you basically don't need to install JSON externally, it's already installed in Python, right? But you indeed need to install these two modules. The first one pyttfx3. You need to do this pip install pyttfx3, and the second request module, right? You also need to do this pip install requests in order to download both of them. Then you need to assign a name. AI is equal to pyttfx3 dot init. Then this program is going to print this: welcome to the weather app created by Akshat, aka Akshat, right? Uh, then we're going to create a while loop, a loop that never ends, right? Creating a while loop while true. Then we're going to take an input from the user, taking input of the location from the user, right? So location is equal to input and enter the location and 0 to exit, right? Then if location is equal to 0, then simply print you have exited from the program, right? Print this, and then AI will say the same, right? AI will basically say the same thing, which will be you have exited from the program. And in order to execute this AI.say, we also need to do this run and wait, right? And then we're simply going to break the statement. Okay, so if the input of user is literally anything else, where firstly what we're going to do is uh, location dot strip. Strip method does is that, let's take this string for example, right? You see two spaces between New York, right? On the left and the right, both the sides. Let's comment out this for a second and just print string. As you can see, it is getting printed with the spaces, but if you comment out this and uncomment this and then print it, you can see the spaces are gone. So this is what the strip method does. For an example, if the user has entered New York, it's going to basically do this, right? It's basically going to combine these two words. So we're going to need our URL, which we can get from this website, Weather API. You can get your own URL too. I'll link this website in the description also. So basically this is our link, right? I'm going to explain this to you what this print does. So basically, when I copied this URL, it was exactly like this, right? So I'm going to explain how it works. If you see, I have given Q is equal to London, so it's giving me all the literally all details of London, right? But if you see this, uh, if you see this temp C, that which means temperature in Celsius, it is under current, right? So we firstly need to get inside of this link, then we get into all the HTML text of this link, then we get into current, and then we finally get into MC, which means temperature in Celsius, if we want the, if we want the temperature. So the next step is we are going to use string, and we're going to do this because you can see when we write Q is equal to London, it's going to give me all the India. It's going to give me all the details of India, right? So this is how this URL works. Okay, now let's get back to the code. Now typing the text of the URL, we're going to do response is equal to requests dot text, not text, but get URL, and then whether is equal to json dot loads json dot loads response dot text, right? Now we have the access of the HTML text. So now when we have the access of the text inside the URL, we are going to fetch the temperature. So fetching the temperature, right? So if there is current in weather, W is equal to whether uh, current temp underscore T. Then after that we're going to print, we're going to use the string. We're going to print the weather in the location you entered is W, right? W is what? The temperature. Okay, is W degree, you can say. Then the AI is going to say the same thing, right? Just without this full stop. And then of course we're going to use this run and wait method. Now if there isn't current in the weather, our interpreter is going to uh, print unable to find unable to find this location, right? Unable to find this location, the location entered. And the AI will again say the same thing, right? Just not the full stop. Now again we're going to use this run wait method. And then so after that we are going to do this, right?
Okay, so now let's just run this program and check if that works. Welcome to the weather app created by Atharva Akshat. Enter the location 0 to exit. Let's enter London.
The weather in London is 10.0 degrees Celsius.
Okay, let's now enter Canada.
The weather in Canada is 0.0 degrees Celsius.
Okay, let's enter India.
The weather in India is 18.0 degrees Celsius.
Okay, now let's just enter some random text.
Unable to find UGWIF.
Of course. Now let's just
You have exited from the program.
from the program. And yeah, this code is pretty much working, I guess. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood this piece of code I've written. If you want to work with me, I am open to do any freelance work. You can check my details there in the description. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.